Have you ever watched someone from your same starting point skyrocket to success while you stayed stuck? They faced the same rejections, same long hours, same doubts. So why did they succeed when others quit? This is the true story of Mia, a factory worker from Detroit who chose the hidden fork in the road that changed everything. Same plant, same tough economy, same 2026 job market. Stay with me until the end for the 3-second decision that's separating winners from quitters right now. Picture this, a noisy Ford plant just outside Detroit. Mia's punching the clock at 6 a.m., day in, day out for 7 long years through the 2025 recession recovery. She's 28, single mom after a messy divorce, pulling $17 an hour, bolting frames on F-150 trucks amid Trump's big manufacturing boom. Her shift cranks out 500 trucks a day, but the union guys, they're scrolling TikTok, griping about overtime, doing just enough to keep the UAW off their backs. Mia was different. She timed every weld. 1.8 seconds was her target. Flagged scrap aluminum, wasting $25K a month. Even prototyped a jig in her garage with parts from Home Depot. Coworkers razzed her. UAW life's good. Why grind like it's the 80s? Kick back, Mia. But she had an edge. Her dad, an old GM line vet, always said, life's like a baseball diamond. Most strike out staring at the mound. Winners round the bases. So Mia studied OSHA manuals on her phone during breaks, binge-watched free Lean Six Sigma on YouTube, volunteered for inventory audits and spotted 30K in ghost parts nobody else noticed. Her roommate, slinging burgers next door, would sigh. Gas is only $2.50 a gallon now. Quit dreaming big. Mia just smiled. The fork's coming. Trump's tariffs? Plants like ours are expanding. Then came that rainy Tuesday. Q1 output dips 18% from supply snags. Union reps yelling about extended breaks. Total chaos on the floor. Mia raises her hand. Give me 5 minutes and I'll reroute it with my jig. Boom. Back online in 3. The plant GM, visiting unannounced from Dearborn, sees the whole thing. Who fixed that? Got stats? Mia steps up, calm as can be. She pulls out her napkin metrics, lays out how her $50 fix projects a 15% throughput gain versus the corporate vendor's $50K quote. GM pulls her aside. Most guys whine out Biden-era leftovers. You build. VP's in Friday. Bring your numbers. Mia crushed that presentation with clean Excel models, tying it straight to those sweet EV incentives. Weeks later, floor lead at $28 an hour. 18 months in, ops manager, over 200 workers. By year 3, plant director, keynoting at the Detroit Auto Show on American Grit 2.0. What about the quitters? Same plant, same shot. One ignored the jams. Not my job. Got laid off in the 25 wave, blaming China. Another blew time on his phone, axed for good. They saw strikes and dead ends. Mia spotted home runs. Here's the fork philosophy. Life throws hidden turns every day in factories, farms, garages. Quitters see walls. Winners spot paths. Prep like a patriot with free stuff, YouTube, LinkedIn Learning, turning line workers into leaders. And that 3-second swing, when the jam hits, you pivot. Not my job is a strikeout. I got it is your grand slam. So right now, spot your fork. Optimize one small task at work or home today. Drop a comment. My USA Fork. Your action. Let's build America. If Detroit fired you up, smash that like. Subscribe for more Rust Belt to Riches stories fueling your 2026 wins. Your bucket's ready. Stand in the rain.